Regarding the hotel, Palazzo Avino, my father bought it in 1995. He did a full renovation of 2 years and we reopened as an hotel in 1997. I'm Attilia. I come from Palazzo Avino in Ravello. Raised and born in the area, and we are based in fantastic Amalfi, so Ravello, so up on the hills, overlooking all the coast. We are blessed with the most amazing view. The best traveler for Palazzo Avino, I would say, is someone that really wants to reconnect to the place, really wants to embrace the real Amalfi Coast, embrace the beauty of nature around them. They need to come, have a spritz and relax for a full day. Working with my sister is fun, it's joy. We are completely different. She's the sun, I'm the moon, but we work together like so well. I know what she's thinking, just like looking at her face. She knows what I'm thinking. Of course, we fight sometimes, but it's so easy. After 2 minutes, I pop into her office and say, "What do you want for lunch? Do you want to have our lunch together?" The real thing that really I cannot wait to show everyone is our new cooking school. We are building it right now. We are researching the recipe that our two grandmothers used to make when we were little. They come from 2 different parts of Campania region. So they're completely different recipes and it's going to be so special. Even when Mariella and me were researching things, I can still feel in my mouth the flavor that we used to have when we were little.